Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here we will discuss top 20 important current affairs questions of 20th May 2025. This video is going to be very helpful for examination, so watch the video till end and subscribe my channel. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question 1. India's first manned deep ocean mission Samudriyaan is scheduled for launch by 2026 under the Deep Ocean Mission. It aims to carry three scientists in the indigenously developed submersible Matsya 6000 to a depth of 6,000 meters to explore polymetallic nodules and other deep sea resources. What type of mission is it? Correct answer option C. Manned Ocean Mission. Question 2. Which state approved a policy in May 2025 to promote the use of artificial M's and sand in construction? Correct answer option C. Maharashtra. Question 3. Which traditional Rajasthani delicacy received a geographical indication GI tag in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Kher Sangri. Question 4. After 12-year hiatus, the Pushkar Kumbh Mela of May 2025 was held at which location? Correct answer option B. Keshav Prayag, Mahabalesh, Uttarakhand. Question 5. In May 2025, which country declared its Yala Glacier dead due to rapid retreat from climate change? Correct answer option B. Nepal. Question 6. In mid-May 2025, a stand named after Rohit Sharma was inaugurated at which cricket stadium? Correct answer option B. Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. Question 7. Which ministry launched the Ek Desh, Ek Dhadkan, One Nation, One Heartbeat campaign in May 2025 to promote national unity and honor the nation's brave hearts? Correct answer option A. Ministry of Culture. Question 8. Jawaharlal Nehru University JNU in May 2025 suspended its academic MOU with which Turkish institution, citing national security? Correct answer option C. Inonu University. Question 9. In May 2025, President Draupadi Murmu invoked which article of the Constitution to seek the Supreme Court's advisory opinion on governors' power to grant assent to state bills? Correct answer option B. Article 143. Question 10. The Checho tribe recently in the news after some representatives were detained during the Telangana Chief Minister's visit to Nagarkurnool is a PVTG primarily inhabiting the Nallamala forests of which state? Correct answer option B. Telangana. Question 11. The Sakurajimo volcano, whose 15 to 16 May 2025 eruption sent ash plumes about 3 km high and kept the alert at level 3, is located in which country? Correct answer option C. Japan. Question 12. Operation Black Forest, a 21-day joint CAPF state police offensive that concluded on 11 May 2025, targeted Maoist strongholds in which area? Correct answer option B. Kurra Gutalu Hills on the Chhattisgarh-Telangana border. Question 13. The once every 12 years Saraswati Pushkaralu festival observed this time from 15 to 26 May 2025 at the Triveni Sangam in Kalisharam, where the subterranean Saraswati is believed to unite with the Godavari and Prahnita rivers, started in which Indian state? Correct answer option A. Telangana. Question 14. Sagar Mein Samman launched on 18 May 2025 to boost women's employment and targeted 12% female representation by 2030. Focuses on which sector? Correct answer option C. Maritime sector. Question 15. In May 2025, the foundation stone for an integrated aqua park aimed at scaling up fish production was laid in which state? Correct answer option B. Tripura. Question 16. India's first Vista Dome jungle safari train linking Katarnia Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary with Dudhwa Tiger Reserve was launched in which state in May 2025? Correct answer option C. Uttar Pradesh. Question 17. Becoming the first state in the country to do so, Kerala decided in May 2025 to make robotics education compulsory up to which class? Correct answer option C. Class 10. Question 18. The Reserve Bank of India announced it will issue Rs 20 banknotes bearing the signature of its newly appointed governor. Who is this new governor? Correct answer option D. Sanjay Malhotra. Question 19. Which Indian Grandmaster clinched his maiden Grand Chess Tour title by winning the Superbet Chess Classic 2025 in Romania? Correct answer option D. R. Pragnananda. Question 20. Jasmine Paolini defeated Coco Gauff in May 2025 to become the first Italian in 40 years to win the women's singles title at which tennis tournament? Correct answer option C. Italian Open. Internazionale Biennale di Italia, Rome.